Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this channel guys is about learning how to sew, and I'm gonna be uploading more video about sewing stuff and creating stuff. So if you wanna learn how to sew, this is the channel for you. And today I'm gonna show you how I altered this prom dress. The strap is too long, and then the dress is too long also, so I altered the hemming, the bottom of the dress. It was a little bit tricky because of this horsehair braid material that it was attached, this one right here. So this is finished, but I'm gonna show you how I did this, how I altered this prom dress. So just enjoy watching this video, and hopefully you will learn how I do it, some of the technique that hand that handling about altering the dress with the horsehair braid, because with horsehair braid dress is kind of tricky to work. So hopefully this video is gonna help for you if you are planning to alter, or you wanna know how to alter this kind of material. So yeah, so enjoy watching. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to alter this prom dress. The strap, it needs to be moved, and also a hemming is too long. This is for my customer. So I have this horsehair braid. I'm gonna show you how to alter this prom dress. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this strap. So first guys, I'm gonna remove this strap first. So I'm just slowly opening the seam right there. See, the strap is out. And I'm just gonna move from here to the new spot. It's too long, and it's not staying in the shoulder. It you know it slide in the shoulder, so it needs just need to be moved a little bit, about 2 inch. So where's that? It's done. So it's just gonna be the same thing in the other side. Just move about 2 inch. So now both of the strap is finished. And now I'm gonna do the bottom one. So this dress has 4 layers. I'm gonna do this one first, and then after that, yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 layer. So the top layer is the most more work because of this horsehair braid material that they attach. So I'm just gonna do this one first. So now I'm just gonna cut this here all the way around. It's like that. There's where I stitch. So I'm just gonna cut this excess material all the way around. So now I'm just gonna remove all these pins that it's holding. See, the pins is still in it, so I'm just gonna remove all the pins. There's that. the excess material. And now I'm just gonna fold this and one more stitch all the way around. So here's that done, the first layer, the lining layer. So this is the lining. Now the next layer, this, the silky one. So same thing, I'm gonna stitch in the edge of this where it fold. And again, same, I'm gonna cut this like this. Remove pins.
Okay.
And same thing, I'm gonna fold this one and over stitch. So this is done, and now it's gonna be this, oh, this one, the top layer with the horsehair braid. So what I do, I'm just gonna put my pins up here. That's where the edges, and also I'm gonna remove like that and put it here. And once I open this, so that's how much material that it needs to be out. So it's big. That's how wide the material needs to be out on this dress. So I'm just gonna do same thing. Put the pins in the edges where the fold are, and then remove this and then transfer here like that, and then that's how it go. You see? So I'm just gonna do this all the way around. Same I'm doing. This technique is about knowing where, how much needs to be out the material, see? So that way you know when you remove this pin, you need so that way you know where the the mark. So this pin is just like my mark. So I know how wide it needs to be out. So now I think I finished putting my mark, those pins. So now I'm gonna cut now. So this is how much need to be out. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut. It's same amount of material. So I'm gonna, so let's say, so this one is about 6 inch. So I'm gonna cut about 6 inch also. So it's about right here. So this is how much need to be out, this material here. So I'm just gonna finish this cutting and I'll get back. So now I'm just gonna remove all these pins. So now this bottom one that I just removed, I'm gonna peel this out as horsehair braid and I'm gonna attach it here. So here's that, guys. So the mesh, I still gonna cut the mesh, and here's the material that I'm gonna remove. This piece, the horsehair braid, this one, the stuff. So I'm just gonna start taking this off, and then after that I'm gonna attach it here. So this is the horsehair braid. So this is the one that I'm gonna use to stick this part in the dress. So I'm just gonna continue this and remove all the horsehair braid, and I'll get back to you. So here's the material, guys, the horsehair braid. Just finish taking out. So now I'm gonna attach this to the dress right here. Right here. So I'm just gonna attach this like this. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna attach this all the way around this horsehair braid. So I'm gonna zoom in. This is excess. So now I'm gonna fold it like this, like that. And then stitch the edges, stitch all the way around. So this top layer, the lace layer is also finished. So now I'm gonna just trim this mesh layer. So ito na yun guys, I already finished the hemming. So as you can see, it just look like the original. So so that's the dress. This is the back. So yep, so this is done. So that's it. Thank you for watching and thank you for visiting my channel. This channel is about learning how to sew. So I'm gonna upload more video about sewing and basic learning for the beginners, the simple step, how to make a simple dress. So I'm gonna be uploading more video on my channel about sewing. Okay, so thank you again and God bless and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.